Good day everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video guys, we will talk about what is a Gantt chart. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers, and supporters in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. So let's begin. What is a Gantt chart? A Gantt chart is a project management tool that visually represents a project schedule over time. It uses horizontal bars to illustrate tasks, their durations, and their dependencies. Each bar represents a specific task with the length indicating the time required for completion. So let's talk about what are the key features of a Gantt chart. First, we have your task list, a breakdown of all project activities. Second, timeline, dates or time frames when tasks should be start and end. Third, bars represent the duration of each task. Fourth, dependencies shows relationships between tasks. Fifth, milestones, significant checkpoints or goals in the project. And lastly, progress tracking indicates completed, ongoing, or pending tasks. Gantt charts, guys, is very useful in many fields like in software development, constructions, business operations, and among others. Thank you so much for listening and watching. Don't forget to like, share, and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.